Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Hafeez in this lecture. Today I have made this presentation for you and I will share it with you because we can make this presentation online. But I made it offline mode. Especially some presentations we can create presentations, almost we can create presentations in PowerPoint. I have created presentations in the Prezi desktop software. There are different layouts lying in it. Anyone can bring it with his own will. So let's start to see what type of presentation I made for you. Here, click on present, start present. First of start present, this is the layout used in this presentation. Let's start. First slide is what is HDL. Then click next. What is logic simulation? Then next, functional verification. Then next, types of HDL. Next, VHDL. It's definition of VHDL and its advantage is written below. These are the types of HDL. HDL models of the combinational circuits: gate level modeling, data flow modeling, behavioral modeling. First type of modeling. This is the second type of modeling. Third type of modeling. This is the logic gate diagram of all the operations. Digital inputs, logic gates, logic diagrams, output. Presentation designer Abdul Hafeez. I am Abdul Hafeez. YouTube channel this. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. This is intro for this lecture. Kindly like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for more interesting videos and different layouts using Prezi Software offline. Thanks for watching.